and good day everybody. Shredamai here, and I'd like to welcome you all to Into the Wild e-bike adventures. And I got something super cool I want to share with everybody today here. I have what might be the first, if not one of the first Eahoras sold in Canada. These guys just recently set up shop a little over a month ago here, and I'm now offering these Eahoras to us Canadians at a fairly decent price. This is, I say this is a mid-range bike, but I did a lot of looking online over the last few months, and this guy, I was really impressed, and I'm like, oh, why can't we get it in Canada? And then next thing you know, something popped up on my email saying they're available here, so I jumped on it. So this Eahora here, this is the Juliet, comes equipped with a 1,000-watt rear hub motor, hydraulic disc brakes, and a 60 amp hour battery. That was the biggest selling point for me. They claim you can get over 100 miles on that thing, and that's on flat ground. Unfortunately, where we're taking this bike is not on flat ground. We're going uphill climbing, we're gonna do some trail riding, and we're gonna shred on this beast and put her to the test. But I'm super stoked here. Yeah, definitely looked at a lot of bikes, and this one had a lot of selling features. Also can carry 400 pounds on this, so I'm 200 pounds. That means I can still load another 100 into the back rack and maybe throw another 50 in my backpack and still be comfortable riding this thing. So let's open this dog up and see what we got going on here. Always be equipped when you're in the wild with a little knife and saw. We'll just set that down right there. Pop some fucking stay balance. Okay. Yeah, she's sharp. She's looking sharp. Let's have a little look in there. We're gonna do this. Well, let's just see. No, she's heavy. Let's pop the front here. She is open. Then I'm going to shut this camera off, put this thing together, and I'll get back to you when I'm done. As there is a lot of how to put these bike together videos, so you don't need another one of those from me. I'm all about getting this bike into the wild, and that's where the adventure really begins. There we go. We got her put together in no time. Seat just basically slid in, pedal screwed on, headlamp screwed on, quick plug and play, front tire, front fender, everything else was pretty much ready to go. And the brakes are working good. No issues thus far. So there you go. The Eahora Juliet, ready for her first maiden voyage. All right, see you on the road.